It's big, all right. Whether the bill is beautiful depends on which Coloradan you ask. Republicans in Congress passed President Trump's sweeping bill today, keeping tax cuts in place, cutting Medicaid, reducing food benefits, increasing funding for mass deportations, and adding an estimated $3.3 trillion to the national debt. Colorado's congressional delegation voted as expected along party lines. Democrats opposed, Republicans in favor.
I am so excited about this big, beautiful bill.
President Trump's tax and spending plan includes $100 billion for ICE, which currently has an $8 billion a year budget. It'll make the president's deportation force the largest federal law enforcement agency. Republican Congressman Gabe Evans is an enthusiastic supporter.
To make sure we can get these violent illegal criminals, these Iranian military snipers out of our country who are here illegally.
Democratic Congresswoman Brittany Patterson tearfully talked about nearly $1 trillion in cuts to health care programs like Medicaid. That's expected to put 11.8 million people at risk of losing health coverage.
Health care that families, millions of families across the United States rely on.
We like to say where you live shouldn't determine if you live. And right now it feels like this bill is going to impact rural health care disproportionately.
Jason Amrich, who runs the hospital in Gunnison, called the Medicaid cuts devastating.
If we don't provide the care here, it doesn't exist for an hour and 15 minutes to my east or west over mountain passes or canyons.
That hospital is in Republican Congressman Jeff Hurd's district. He signed a letter to Republican leadership saying he could not support the deep Medicaid cuts in the Senate bill. Then he voted for it. Hurd did not respond to our request for an interview. Republican Congressman Lauren Boebert cheered the bill's passage, saying, quote, "Who's ready for the deportation machine on steroids?" The Colorado Community Health Network, which represents clinics caring for low-income Coloradans, called the bill, quote, "deeply disappointing and financially devastating."